So this is a Rui Kang smart door lock with Wi-Fi built into it.
Lock.
So now, as you just heard, you heard the device just say that the door is locked. Now, one thing that's nice is when you step outside your door, but you want to be able to get back in, you don't always want to have to grab your keys just to get back in the house. You know what I'm saying? So it's convenient to have something like this. And what I liked about this one, excuse the spider webs, is this one actually comes with a key. It comes with a USB-C plug-in underneath. The key is hidden behind here. It also comes with a fingerprint entrance, which to most of you guys, you know that this isn't necessarily new technology, but it's very convenient. So if I'm out here working in the yard and I need to come in the house for a moment, all I have to do is take my finger, as you can see here, press it up against here.
002. Unlock.
So the 002 means the second administrator, which is me. Door opens right up. Now, what's nice about this too is as soon as I close it, watch what happens.
Lock.
It automatically locks the door, so I can't get back in. So how convenient is this? Now, what's nice about it, like I said, fingerprint access. You can program up to 100 different codes or fingerprints. You can actually have passcodes where you hit the buttons. You can have your fingerprint. You could use the key. And this actually comes with key fobs as well to allow you to get inside your home. I'm telling you, it has a lot of smart features, which I love. I'm thinking about getting one for the front door, but this is made by Rui Kang. That's R-U-I-K-A-N-G. Super convenient, easy to install. I'm gonna show you the back side here real quick. Just locked me out. Let's get back in. Use my fingerprint.
002. Unlock. Unlocked
it. And if you download the phone app, you can unlock the door with the app. Shut the door. And what's nice about that is even if I walk away and I forget to lock the door, it's going to lock the door for me. So super convenient. Like I said, you can unlock it like that.
Lock.
Takes 4 AA batteries. As you can see, we use rechargeable batteries here in our home. It comes with this. It comes with the Deadbolt locking mechanism. Like I said, I am super impressed with it. It's funny, I'm in the habit of locking this thing. I don't even need to lock it. All I need to do is shut the door and it automatically locks for me. Click that link, check it out. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised, guys.